Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scentedstyle. And today we're going to go over my monthly Scentsy club for the month of November. Super excited, a couple new additions. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Are any of these your favorite? All right, you guys, let's get into it. So my monthly Scentsy club just came and it's full of lots of my favorites. One of the things that I did notice is I remember I went through and I have a lot of my club bars because for a while I was doing like 4 bars a month and like no one can go through that many bars. I'm like, Vicki, you don't need that many bars. So a lot of them I either cut down in half or I just dropped it to 1 bar, but I made sure that there was a bar of each one of these. I believe each one of these in my quarterly just in case, but I'm super excited. So we'll go over some of the other stuff right now. Now, most of the stuff is kind of out of season. It's stuff that I'm going to put away for spring, summer, because it's not what I want to smell right now, but I love it, but I don't want to smell it right now. So the first one is Blueberry Burst. It was part of our Easter collection. I'm obsessed. I had 4 bars in here. Like every month I was getting 4 bars. So I have plenty. But I'm obsessed with this scent. I really like this scent. So I dropped it down to 1 and I do have it also in my quarterly. It's Love. I dropped it down to 1 bar as well. I love it, but I have a bunch for myself. I don't need to hoard it anymore. Oh, this was part of our Valentine's Day collection. And it's so good. It's so good. Love it. The next one is one that I use just in my bathroom. You guys, if you follow me, you already know what it is. It's Coconut Cotton. And this is my spring summer scent for the bathroom. I don't use anything else but this. I'm obsessed. I had put it in my club when it was a Bring Back My Bar. And I love it. Oh. That is a good bar. I have a really good club. I'm looking at my club and I'm like, yeah, this is a good one. All right, so the next one is Shut Eye. I have 2 bars of this in my monthly, and it was part of the Catching Z's collection. I love this scent. This is one of my favorite bedroom scents. Oh man. I don't even remember what's in it, but oh, it's so good. So many people always comment that they love Shut Eye as well. Let me know if this is one that you like. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I wish they would put it in our catalog. It's so good. The next one is one that I love, but like I always talk about this, is when I first smelled this one, it was on a Bring Back My Bar years ago, and I hated it. But after I got COVID, my smell changed and now I'm obsessed. And I have 2 bars of it in my club and it's Cherry Almond Pie. And I love it. I love it. Love it. It's so good. I use this one in my living room. It's a powerhouse scent and it's just like, boom. Can't smell no cats when I'm warming that. The next one, you guys know, is one I'm obsessed with. I've had this in my club for so long, and I had 4 bars in, and now I dropped it down to 2, and I just still love it. It's Toasted Marshmallow. Toasted Marshmallow, which is actually in the Cyber Monday, I believe it's the Cyber Monday sale that has Toasted Marshmallow. The 10 bar special for the cafe. It's either in there or it's in the next, starting December 1st. in the bundles, the wax and warmer bundles. But I think it's Monday. I think it's in the Monday sale. But oh my gosh, it is so good, you guys. If you've never smelled this, you need to get that bundle because this is amazing. Okay, the next one is an oldie but a goodie. It was around when I first joined Scentsy, and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be warming it through the holidays. This is the time of year I enjoy warming it. And it's Toffee Butter Crunch. And it is delish. It is so good. It's the perfect toffee scent. Oh my gosh, that one's so good. Oh, I love Toffee Butter Crunch. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we have two newbies, and they're both things that were available but sold out fast. Fast, fast, fast. And these are still available to put in your Scentsy Club, so you better do it before they go away, because pretty soon they're going to be like, nope, sorry. I think at the end of the month, you're not going to be able to add these. So I would add them if I were you. And Candy Cane Buttercream, you guys, from the Vanilla Bean Buttercream Holiday Collection. What did they call it? The Scentspirations. You guys, this scent is, oh, it's magical. Basically, candy cane and buttercream, exactly like the name states. It is so, so good. So good. Another one that is still available to put in Scentsy Club, but you better get it in there quickly, and that's Maraschino Sugar Cookie. This was part of our holiday bricks collections. I actually have 2 bricks over there that I haven't opened yet, but I'm going to be, I have a lot of bars. So right now I've been doing my Peppermint Dreams, which is just my favorite. I've been using that in my bedroom, but pretty soon I'm going to change it up to this. But yeah, so good. And it's actually quite similar to Cherry Almond Pie. And it's, let me see which one. I like them both the same, I think. The Cherry Almond, you can definitely smell the almond in it. They're both good though. You guys, they're so delish. All right, so I didn't really explain what a Scentsy Club was, but we're going to do that in a second. The next thing that I got was my cotton cleanups. You guys, I go through a ton of these. I change my wax every like 3 days, and I have a ton of warmers, and so I go through these like crazy. So if you don't know what a Scentsy Club is, I probably should have talked about it in the beginning, but I was just excited to get to it. Basically, it's a subscription that you create on my website. You put in whatever bars or whatever consumable products that you want that are available at that time. And once your order hits $30, you'll get 10% off. Once it hits $60, you'll get the 10% off plus a half price item. My half price item was my all-purpose cleaner in Coastal Sunset, which I just love. So I got that half price. Now, here's the cool thing about this is, like you see, most of these bars are not, actually, none of these bars are available anymore. We have something called Always Get My Bar. Now, it only applies to Scentsy bars. It doesn't apply to room sprays and all that. When you put a room spray or something other than a bar in your Scentsy Club, once it's not available anymore, they won't send it to you. It'll be pulled from your club. But like, I've had this bar in there for a couple years now, since Scentsy Club started, and you can't get this. So that's really cool. Another cool thing about it is you can control when you get it and how much you get it, how much you get in it. So you can choose to get it every month, every other month, or every 3 months. You can put in as much stuff or as little stuff as you want. You control it, okay? Now, here's the catch though. Once you put it in there and once it's no longer available online, you can only reduce the amount that you want. You can't increase. So like here I got 2 cherry almond pies. I can't go up to 3 because it's no longer available. But if I wanted to drop it down to 1 or completely delete it, I could. But once you do it, like, it's a done deal. So, yeah, so that's really cool. And we have other perks as well where you'll get like your own little code, and you can use that for, you'll get points. So for every dollar that you spend in your club, you will get 1 point. You can send that club to family and friends. For every dollar that they spend on a club, once it runs, you will get 2 points for every dollar that they spend. And you can use that to purchase your Scentsy Club stuff or stuff from my website, which is really interesting. But anyways, that's everything, you guys. That's my club. I love it. I love it so much. Anyways, let me know what you think about it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.